In this video segment, we're going to discuss how the print function works in Benchmark for Windows. Here I've got the same job open. I'm going to select 10 minus here to, actually what I'm going to do is select 1 minus, which activates the printing function. Now nothing much happens here. This doesn't fire anything out to your printer per se, but it does start firing information out to a print file, if you would. So that now what I'll do is simple 10 minus, and I'll occupy 0.1, and I will 81 minus to 2 to 3 to 4 and to 1 just to get some information, okay? And 19 minus to close it out. So anyway, there's a little bit of work that I've done. And now I'm concerned about getting this printed. Okay, now this, keep in mind, this can go on as long as you want it to. And what's happening is this is all being output to a printer file. When I depress 2 minus, up will come the screen that has whatever number of pages of stuff that I printed. Obviously, in the version that you have on your desktop, you won't have this splash screen that says it's a demo copy, but you get the idea that you can see all the information here, whatever you request to have printed. And simply at this point, if you want to print it, you can click here and it'll go to the Windows printer that you've designated as the one you want, and that can be a network printer or a local printer, whatever you want to do. And so once I actually print this page and send it off to my printer, it will just clear this out and close this down, and it'll go back to the benchmark window where I can continue working. Now, if I again start my 1 minus routine, so at this point, having pressed 1 minus again, I can proceed to occupy a point and inverse to a couple of other points just to get something in here, and back to 10, and this time if I go to print again by depressing 2 minus, which takes me to the print menu, you see I'll just get that stuff I did last time. So the act of printing this also clears that page out, just so you understand that that's what happens, okay? But if you don't go 2 minus until you're all done, whatever stuff you've entered or put in your system ever since you hit the 1 minus will accumulate in this print buffer and come out on this whatever number of pages it amounts to that you've done. So we will, at that point, exit that. And this really concludes the whole section on printing. It's not very hard. You just need to know what to expect, and this video pretty much should clear that up for you.